We have the analysis that has primary investigation, scope of study, conducting the investigation, testing project feasibility, handling feasibility. After feasibility analysis, take the formal acceptance of proposal system from requested. The next step is to study the current system so that the system can be defined during system assessment. Many method languages have been developed by requirement, structured analysis and design technique. SADT, simply called structured analysis, the most commonly used method for answer. We'll discuss this method. Problem state language and requirement state language are some of the languages developed to specify a requirement. PSL is fundamentally the same as structured analysis but is purely textual, where structured analysis use both text and graphics. RSL has specific design for specific requirement of a real-time control system. Data collection is an important part of feasibility and system of SDLC, which is software development life cycle. Then you have preliminary investigation. First step in the system development life cycle is to determine feasibility of the system. The purpose of the preliminary investigation is to evaluate project request. It is not a design study, nor does it include the collection detail to describe business. It is usual information that helps committee members to evaluate. Analyst working on preliminary investigation to accomplish the objective. Clarify and understand the project request which is being made, what are the requirements, determine the size of the project, access cost and benefits of alternative approaches, and so on. Then you have scope of the study. The preliminary review of the system is performed which assists in recognizing the scope of the system. Depending on the result of the original study, feasibility or the feasibility study essential rest of project system in light of workability, fulfillment user needs, effective utilization and the cost effectiveness. Conducting investigation, reviewing organization document. The analyst conducting an investigation first learn about the organization involved. For example, to review an inventory system proposal, knowing first how the department works. On-site observation, then you have in this analysis observe the activities directly. Then you have conducting interviews. Testing project feasibility. Feasibility determine whether project is worth doing. Process followed is make determination called feasibility study. This type of study determines if a project can and should be taken. Once you define the project, the analyst can go ahead and prepare the project specification and combination. Then you have technical feasibility, operation feasibility and economic feasibility, social feasibility, management feasibility, legal feasibility, time feasibility. Let's talk about the first three main here. So technical feasibility. Is it concerned with specifying improvement software delivery success satisfy the requirement, the facility to provide output the response time undertaken. Then you have operation feasibility. Is it related to human organization, political aspect, what changes in the system. Then you have economic feasibility is the most frequent used technique for evaluating effective, more commonly known as cost benefit. The procedure is to define the benefits. It benefits outweigh cost, decision is to be taken. A number of approaches for accessing the cost of solution have been suggested: last cost, time to payback, and cost effectiveness. So last cost is based on the observation that cost are linear to control and identify. Time to payback, the method of economic evaluation attempt to answer the question. Cost effectiveness, some type of cost measure is performed using each alternative. Then example, tangible benefits are ability to obtain information, social feasibility, management feasibility, legal feasibility, and time feasibility. Social feasibility is a determination of whether a proposed project will be acceptable to the people or not. Management feasibility, determination whether a proposal project will be acceptable to the management. Legal feasibility is determination whether a proposal will infringe on its own acts. Time feasibility is determination whether you can do it in the time. Then you have handling infeasible project. It is not necessary that all projects that are submitted are good enough. Generally, requests are not passed or not pursued further. Suppose this is it. The Oracle Visual Basic. You have total cost, warranty, analyst, so on. Net present value, first year benefit, last year benefit, and you will finally find it. So during the system analysis, obtain actual specification system by clearly understanding. After analysis, document is prepared by analysis, which is called software requirement specification document. First step is to serve lifecycle preliminary specification, collecting information that helps the committee. The analyst conducting the investigation list of organization. During on-site of the analyst can be say office environment. Then you have system requirement.